Hi, I'm Jennifer Kale, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to clean and maintain your oven. Before we start cleaning, let's go over our supplies in detail. First, we're going to have a pair of gloves. This will help protect your hands and also allow you to use a hotter temperature of water than you otherwise would be able to with bare hands. You'll also need a sponge. You'll want a nice soft sponge. You don't want anything that is too abrasive, otherwise it could scratch the cooking surface or different parts of your stove. We're going to use a nice all-purpose cleaner. This will be useful in getting up any greasy spots on your stove. I'm just using a generic, environmentally friendly one. You can use pretty much any type that you want as long as it's nice and gentle and doesn't have any harsh chemicals which could etch your stove top if you have ceramic or glass. I'm going to have some baking soda. This will help as a mild scrubbing agent in case you have any stubborn cooked on stains that you want to get rid of. And then last but not least, I'm going to have some hot water. The nice hot water will help to dissolve some of the more stubborn cooked on spots on our stovetop, and it's all very environmentally friendly. So let's get started.